Hey everybody, it's me Jessica, and I got something new from Amazon today. This is my new robot vacuum. So it comes with all these different things. It comes with an extra filter and a cleansing brush. It comes with some replacement heads, and it comes with a remote, but you can also use the app on your phone if you don't want to use the remote. And this part here you can put on for mopping, so your robot vacuum can actually mop like your hardwood floors. So that's super cool. And so I like to use the app, and so I've got it plugged in right now and it's charging. So I'm going to click on start cleaning.
Start cleaning.
Okay, and so it has voice, says that start cleaning, and I've got a magnetic strip that it comes with that I set up over here. And so the robot vacuum knows not to go on the magnetic strips. So you can put that up against anything that you don't want your robot vacuum to get to. So it knows that magnetic strip is there, so it's gonna stay away. And so you can do all kinds of different things on your app. You can set a schedule, and so you can tell it when you want it to clean your vacuums every day. And then you can set up a map if you want to, which is cool. And yeah, so it has all these different things right here. And also, if I click on more, I can set strong, normal, or gentle, which is cool. And this is so great because I don't have to like push around a heavy vacuum anymore. The robot vacuum does it for me. All right, this is so cool, you guys. And my robot vacuum's cleaning my carpet. All right, there it goes. Okay, this is so cool. Okay, watch, it's going straight to my lamp, but it's not knocking it over. So it knows, it's a smart vacuum, so it knows that it's there. And you can even set this up at the top of your stairs. You can put this on the second floor, and it will know that the stairs are there and it won't fall down your stairs. So there it is, it's hitting the bottom of the stairs, but it stopped and now it's turning around. So it knows not to like push it any further than that. So this thing is so cool. There it goes. Oh, it knows that that's there. It's feeling that shoe. I know it's coming back around. Go vacuum, go, do it, yeah, clean that carpet. Go vacuum. All right, so I highly recommend this product.